Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Young Chefs Cookbook is probably one of the most exciting and educational resources for young people who are passionate about cooking and want to learn the basics of culinary arts. It's filled with kid-friendly recipes that are easy to follow, delicious, and teach fundamental cooking skills, making it a fun and engaging way to introduce children and teens to the joy of cooking and creating healthy, tasty meals. Number 5. Young Chefs Cookbook. Welcome to the world of cooking. This cookbook is designed for young chefs like you, filled with 100+ delicious and easy-to-follow recipes. It's packed with a wide variety of recipes, from tasty appetizers to satisfying main courses and delectable desserts. There is something for everyone to enjoy. Each recipe includes simple, step-by-step instructions and colorful photos, making cooking fun and accessible for all skill levels. Cooking should be an enjoyable experience. This cookbook makes it easy and exciting to learn and experiment in the kitchen. With this cookbook as your guide, you'll gain confidence in the kitchen and discover the joy of creating delicious meals. Let's get cooking. Open up this cookbook and find your next culinary adventure. It's time to create some amazing dishes. What we like. It features a wide variety of recipes, ensuring there's something for everyone. It's perfect for young chefs who want to explore different cuisines and cooking techniques. If you are looking for a comprehensive cookbook with a wide range of recipes, this is the one for you. What people say. This cookbook features over 100 delicious recipes that are not only easy to follow but also fun to make. From breakfast to dinner, snacks to desserts, this cookbook has it all. Recipes are simple enough that kids can make corrections if they make a mistake. Great for beginners. The recipes are kid-friendly but are foods that the whole family can enjoy. It is beautifully illustrated and has very clear instructions. Number 4. Baking Book for Young Chefs. Welcome to the world of baking. This book is your guide to creating delicious treats, from sweet cakes to savory pastries. Let's get started. It's filled with over 100 recipes for sweet delights. You'll find everything from classic cookies to innovative cakes. Prepare to impress your friends and family. But it's not just about sweets. It also includes savory recipes, perfect for expanding your baking horizons. Get ready to explore new flavors and techniques. This book will teach you fundamental baking techniques. Master the art of mixing, measuring, and baking to perfection. You'll become a confident baker in no time. It encourages you to share your creations. Baking is even more fun when you can enjoy it with others. So gather your friends and family and start baking. It offers a wide variety of recipes for all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, you'll find something to love. Let your culinary journey begin. What we like. This cookbook specializes in baking, offering both sweet and savory options. It's ideal for young bakers who love to create delicious treats to share with friends and family. If you enjoy baking and want to expand your baking skills, this cookbook is perfect for you. What people say. Great recipes with a ton of information and clear instructions. Pretty pictures, easy instructions for young teens, or older, to cook up delicious food. Each recipe is simple and easy to follow and is laying a foundation of good, solid basics. Number 3. Young Chefs Cookbook. Welcome to the world of cooking. This cookbook is your guide to creating delicious meals from scratch. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Master essential techniques like knife skills and measuring ingredients. These fundamentals will build a strong foundation for your cooking adventures. Start your day with delicious and easy breakfast recipes. It's easier than you think to make amazing meals in the morning. Pack exciting and healthy lunches with these creative recipes. You'll discover new favorites and impress your friends. Prepare impressive dinners that will wow your family and friends. These recipes are surprisingly simple to make. Indulge in delightful desserts and sweet snacks. Baking can be fun and rewarding, and these recipes make it easy. Learn the fundamentals of baking, from measuring ingredients to understanding oven temperatures. It's the key to baking success. Explore additional recipes and expand your culinary horizons. There are so many delicious possibilities to explore. Congratulations on taking your first steps into the wonderful world of cooking. Enjoy the process and have fun creating delicious meals. What we like. It teaches you how to make everything from scratch, empowering you to create truly unique dishes. It's great for young chefs who want to understand the fundamentals of cooking and develop their culinary skills. If you are passionate about making food from scratch and learning the basics of cooking, this is your best choice. What people say. I bought this for my 10-year-old and she has fun going through the book and making things on her own. The recipe choices and the tips on tools and common cooking procedures are great. The graphic design is appealing and clearly geared toward kids without talking down to them. The directions are easy to follow. So far we have made a few recipes and they were good. Number 2. Teen Cookbook, 100 Easy Recipes. It's time to ditch the takeout menus and embrace the kitchen. This cookbook makes learning to cook fun and easy. With 100 simple recipes, it's the perfect guide for teens who want to learn the basics of cooking. You'll master essential techniques in no time. It's all about building confidence. This cookbook breaks down each recipe into easy-to-follow steps, so you can become a kitchen pro. Each recipe includes clear instructions and helpful tips, making cooking a breeze. No more confusing recipes. From tasty snacks to satisfying meals, it's packed with recipes you'll actually want to make and share with friends and family. Get ready to impress. It's time to unleash your inner chef. Grab your copy and get cooking. You'll be surprised at how much fun it is. What we like. It focuses on simple recipes that teach the basics of cooking. It's perfect for teenage chefs who are just starting their culinary journey. If you're a beginner and want to build a strong foundation in cooking, this is the cookbook for you. Number 1. 5-ingredient College Cookbook. Are you a college student with limited time and cooking skills? This cookbook is your solution for delicious and easy meals. It features recipes using only 5 ingredients or less, perfect for busy schedules and small kitchens. You'll be surprised at how tasty these meals are. These recipes are designed to be affordable, helping you stick to a student budget. Say goodbye to expensive takeout. Each recipe is quick to prepare and cook, meaning less time in the kitchen and more time for studying or socializing. It's the perfect cookbook for busy college life. It offers a wide variety of dishes, from quick breakfasts to satisfying dinners. You won't get bored with the same old meals. The instructions are clear and concise, making it easy for even the most novice cooks to follow along. Anyone can master these recipes. What we like. It features quick and easy recipes using only 5 ingredients, perfect for busy college students. It's ideal for those who want delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen. If you're a college student looking for simple and efficient recipes, this is the one for you. What people say. The recipes are pretty straightforward and should appeal to most everyone with the possible exception of super vegans and those annoying picky eaters. Beginner cooks of all ages will benefit from the concise cooking, prep, pantry, and cookware tips. I don't know how many total recipes are in this book, but as compact as it is, in size, there are a fair amount. I love the simple recipes with simple amount of ingredients. I finally made it through my perusing stage of all then mains, appetizers, sides, desserts, etc. and tabbed a final selection of 100 recipes with posted notes. Many fast, simple, healthy recipes for people short on time but tired of eating out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.